If you're tired of weak air conditioners, high electricity bills, or rooms that never cool evenly, then you're going to want to watch this video. Welcome to Prime Pick Reviews, where we help you find the best home tech worth your money. Today, we're breaking down the best ductless mini-split air conditioners of 2026. These systems are changing the way people cool their homes. They're more energy efficient, quieter, smarter, and in many cases, far more powerful than traditional AC units. We've researched and compared some of the top-rated mini-split systems available right now, from high-performance cooling machines designed for large spaces to ultra-quiet and budget-friendly options perfect for bedrooms, offices, or apartments. We'll cover everything you need to know. We'll break down real performance, key features, pros and cons, and overall value. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which system is right for your home. Make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And let's jump straight into the list.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Kicking off our list is the Cooper & Hunter 9000 BTU Mini Split, a powerful and energy-efficient solution designed for smaller spaces that need reliable year-round comfort. This system delivers 9,000 BTU of cooling and heating power, making it perfect for bedrooms, home offices, garages, or server rooms where maintaining stable temperature is important. Despite its compact size, it provides fast cooling in summer and efficient heating even in extremely cold conditions, working in temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the biggest highlights of this unit is its impressive 21.5 SEER2 energy efficiency rating. Thanks to its advanced inverter compressor, the system adjusts power usage automatically, helping reduce electricity costs while maintaining consistent comfort. Another standout feature is its ultra-quiet operation. With noise levels as low as 22 decibels, it runs almost silently, making it an excellent choice for sleeping areas or work environments where noise can be distracting. Convenience is also a major advantage here. The system includes Wi-Fi smart control and a remote, allowing you to adjust temperature, fan speed, and modes from anywhere. It also features built-in dehumidification, helping improve air quality and indoor comfort. Installation is made easier with a pre-charged outdoor condenser and a complete 16-foot installation kit included. However, professional installation is recommended to ensure optimal performance and long-term reliability. Overall, the Cooper & Hunter 9000 BTU Mini Split stands out as a smart, energy-efficient, and quiet climate control solution. For homeowners or apartment users looking for dependable cooling and heating in smaller rooms, this unit delivers excellent performance and strong value. Next up, we have the Costway 12,000 BTU Mini Split, a powerful and feature-packed system designed for users who need stronger cooling coverage and more customization options. With 12,000 BTU of cooling and heating power, this unit can comfortably handle rooms up to 750 square feet, making it a great choice for living rooms, large bedrooms, apartments, or workspace areas. It delivers fast cooling during hot summer days and reliable heating during winter, giving you full year-round climate control. The system is built with advanced inverter technology and offers a solid 20 SEER2 energy efficiency rating. This allows the compressor to adjust power output smoothly instead of constantly turning on and off, helping reduce energy consumption while extending the lifespan of the unit. One of the biggest advantages of the Costway Blast series is its wide range of comfort features. It includes 5 operating modes: auto, cool, heat, dry, and fan, along with multiple fan speeds, sleep mode, eco mode, turbo cooling, and I-Feel technology that adjusts temperature based on your location for more precise comfort. Convenience and air quality are also strong highlights. The unit features a self-cleaning system that uses high-temperature sterilization to keep internal components clean and maintain fresh airflow. It also includes a washable dust filter and an automatic defrost function that improves performance and durability during colder weather. Despite its strong performance, the system remains quiet and includes a smart timer and remote control, allowing easy temperature adjustments from anywhere in the room without disturbing sleep or daily activities. Overall, the Costway 12,000 BTU Mini Split stands out as a powerful, energy-efficient, and highly customizable cooling and heating solution. For users looking for strong performance, larger room coverage, and advanced comfort features, this model delivers excellent versatility and long-term reliability. Next on the list is the Della Vario Series 9000 BTU Mini Split, a smart and energy-efficient system designed for users who want modern convenience combined with reliable performance. This unit delivers 9000 BTU of cooling and heating power, making it ideal for smaller spaces up to 400 square feet, such as bedrooms, small living areas, or home offices. It provides fast cooling during hot weather and dependable heating even in cold environments, operating in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the biggest highlights of the Della Vario series is its smart home compatibility. The system works with Alexa and Wi-Fi control, allowing you to adjust temperature, fan speed, and operating modes using voice commands or your smartphone, making climate control easier and more convenient. In terms of efficiency, this model offers a 19S EER2 energy rating and uses DC inverter technology to reduce power consumption by up to 30% while maintaining consistent temperature performance. Comfort features are another strong advantage. The system includes 4D airflow that distributes air evenly throughout the room, along with multiple operating modes such as cooling, heating, fan, dry, turbo, sleep mode, and eco-energy saving mode. It also includes an intelligent I Feel sensor that detects temperature directly from the remote control location for more personalized comfort. Despite its strong performance, the Della Vario series remains impressively quiet, operating at noise levels as low as 28 decibels, making it perfect for sleeping areas or quiet work environments. The system comes pre-charged and includes a full installation kit, but professional installation is required to ensure proper setup and performance. Overall, the Della Vario Series 9000 BTU Mini Split stands out as a smart, quiet, and energy-efficient cooling and heating solution. For users looking for voice control convenience, reliable comfort, and efficient performance in smaller spaces, this model is an excellent modern choice. And taking the #1 spot on our list is the Senville LETO Series Mini Split, a powerful, smart, and extremely well-balanced system that delivers excellent performance, reliability, and value. This unit offers 12,000 BTU of cooling and heating power, making it ideal for medium to large rooms such as living rooms, large bedrooms, offices, and even small commercial spaces. It provides fast cooling during summer and reliable heating in winter, operating in temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit. One of its biggest advantages is smart home integration. The Senville LETO works with Alexa and mobile app control, allowing you to adjust temperature, create schedules, and manage climate settings from anywhere. This makes it perfect for users who want convenience and full automation. Performance is another major highlight. The system features a versatile 4-in-1 design that combines air conditioning, heating, dehumidifying, and fan operation, giving you complete year-round climate control. It also includes a high-efficiency DC inverter compressor that improves energy savings while maintaining stable indoor comfort. The unit comes pre-charged and includes a full installation package with a 16-foot line set, remote control, indoor air handler, and outdoor condenser, making professional installation straightforward and efficient. On top of that, Senville backs this system with a solid 5-year manufacturer warranty and free technical support, adding extra peace of mind. Overall, the Senville LETO series stands out as one of the best all-around mini-split systems available today. It combines strong cooling power, smart features, energy efficiency, and long-term reliability, making it a fantastic choice for both homeowners and small business spaces. If you're looking for the best option for small rooms and ultra-quiet performance, the Cooper & Hunter model is a great pick with excellent energy efficiency and silent operation. If you need stronger cooling coverage and more customization features, the Costway 12,000 BTU offers great flexibility and advanced comfort modes. For smart home users who want voice control and compact performance, the Della Vario series delivers strong efficiency with Alexa integration and personalized comfort control. But if you want the best overall balance between power, smart features, reliability, and value, the Senville LETO series clearly takes the top spot in this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check the product links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Prime Pick Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product comparisons and tech buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.